Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Workshop items missing from your game using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken item links on your current setup session so your community objects appear safely inside your game inventory. Step 1. Open your Master Application Settings panel. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and head straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace. Click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your main download and storage settings before your software can track down your missing objects, opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep running its standard files without looking for your missing community items. Step 2. Sign out of your account and sign back in. Next, you need to refresh your profile security link to force the network server to send a fresh list of your owned workshop objects to your computer storage. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the main screen window, click on your profile account name, select the option row that says Sign out of account, wait for the program to close, then type your password to log back in. Watch the application turn back on with your fresh account profile loaded flat against your background view. Because your profile connection can get stale or locked up after a long time, when this happens, the computer memory card forgets which custom items you have subscribed to on the Workshop website. Logging out and back in sweeps away those communication bugs instantly. It forces the system engine to update your personal data path and re-verify your item ownership from scratch. Now, you need to enter your computer's hidden file folders and throw away the single broken text list that keeps miscounting your downloaded items. Open your computer's main yellow folder window, go to your main hard drive space, click into Program Files, open the Application folder, go into the folder named Steam Apps, open the folder named Workshop, find the file labeled App Manifest, right-click it, and click Delete. Verify that the broken file is completely removed from your folder row and sitting inside your desktop recycle bin. Because this single text file acts like a grocery receipt for your workshop folders If this text file gets corrupted or receives broken numbers, it tells the main program that you own 0 items, even if your hard drive is packed with downloads. Deleting this broken list forces the software engine to look at your actual folders and build a brand new correct list on your screen canvas rows. Open your settings window again, click on the row that says Downloads on the left menu, click the drop-down box under Download Region, pick a different neighboring city from the list, click OK, and hit the Restart button. And that's it. To fix Steam Workshop items missing from your game, you must first click your profile name at the top right and sign out of your account to refresh your online link. Then you sign back in and open your computer's Steam Apps Workshop folder to delete the broken App Manifest file from your storage card. Next, you move your mouse to the Settings panel and open the Downloads row on your screen canvas rows. Finally, you switch your download region to a different city and restart the software to download your missing items instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.